Algebra 2, Worksheet 22.4, number 9. We're asked in number 9 to simplify the rational expression. And we've got these imaginary numbers, so now what we're going to have to do, we don't want the imaginaries in the bottom, so we have to multiply this fraction, top and bottom, by the conjugate of the bottom, or that fancy word conjugate, which means all we're doing is we're taking the 4 plus 5i and making that 4 minus 5i. Now we're going to do that both top and bottom. I'm going to put these in parentheses to show that we're multiplying. Now on the top, this becomes like your FOIL problem or your box. If you're foiling, you're taking 3 and multiplying, distributing through both of these. So if I'm going to go ahead and show it that way. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times negative 5i is negative 15i. And then distributing negative I through that. Negative I times 4 is minus 4i. Then negative I times negative 5i is positive 5i squared. And on the bottom, same thing. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times negative 5i is negative 20i. 5i times 4 is positive 20i. And then 5i times negative 5i is negative 25i squared. Remember, the point of doing a conjugate is that eventually we want all the i's to disappear. And negative 20i, positive 20i, those will cancel each other out, so those are gone. On the top, I'm going to combine like terms. 12 minus 19i, I'm combining negative 15 minus 4i to give a negative 19i plus 5i squared over 16 minus 25i squared. Now with the I squareds, remember that every time you have I squared, that equals negative 1. So I'm going to plug negative 1 into both of these. This will become 5 times negative 1. This becomes negative 25 times negative 1. So what's going to happen is on the top, this 12 will stay the same, minus 19i. This now becomes negative 5, or just minus 5. So the I squared disappeared, became negative 1. You substitute negative 1 in, became minus 5. On the bottom, 16 stays the same. Now this minus 25 becomes positive 25, because, again, substituting in negative 1 times negative 25 gives me the positive. Combine terms one more time. 12 minus 5 is 7. Minus 19i over 16 plus 25 is 41. And then you do want to see if anything reduces, if anything that can go into 7, 19, and 41. And nothing does, there's nothing you can do, so then your final answer is just 7 minus 19i all over 41.